day 9. We need to pack. I think I'm just gonna wear these because they're comfortable. So right now we've got this guy, these, some gloves, this, and my little baggie of like toiletries and stuff, my purse.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Hello. This is my room in Connecticut. This is Jack, my little best pal, and we're gonna pack today together, aren't we? So let me just show you the overview of the room. It's kind of destroyed right now. Cat food, my closet, and yes, I know I have a lot of clothes. Not all of that is mine. I've got to pack up my computer, my tower, my desk, all of that goodness, my little art trolley. Clothes in here. I'm not bringing that because that's not mine. This stuff, cat litter box, and then we have my guitar and my yoga mat. It is 10:55 in the morning. Jack is being a little nuisance. Oh my gosh, he's a model. You are too much right now. We're gonna get to work and I'm gonna start with clothes because I feel like that's gonna be the longest part. Let's get it.
Oh, the moon.
All I know is my head hurts. I'm going to now put all of those clothes into this suitcase. I just have a lot of things in general, but this is literally like my entire life, so.
Love always feels like it gets in the way. Hanging out, but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow, love you through sorrow. Leave me some breadcrumbs and I swear I'll follow you.
I was able to get literally like the majority of those clothes. I don't know if you can see, I just put like jackets on there, but I got the majority of the clothes that were on my bed into that suitcase. It's amazing what happens when you don't have to think about a weight restriction. I was just looking in my closet and I was like, oh my lord. When I moved to Connecticut, listen here, story time. When I moved to Connecticut, I bought a couple of things, more than a couple. They have like an outlet mall really close to where I reside. So that was kind of dangerous, but I ended up buying a lot of things when I got here, aka things for Connecticut weather, not Florida weather. So I now have this long North Face jacket which is iconic. And I got it heavily discounted on base. And I can't get rid of it because even though I'm never going to use it in Florida, I could use it when I come back to Connecticut or Washington or Montana road trip that I want to do. In addition to that though, I also purchased this jacket, which is by the company Fat Face. It's a UK British designed brand. And it has like fleece in here, and this is like super nice, sharp aligned buttons, that kind of hood. Sleeves are like, it's super nice, and definitely came with a price tag. So I'm also bringing this guy, which this jacket and my North Face white jacket will literally last me years if I take good care of it, which, I mean, that's the plan. I'm gonna keep them because when I do go to different places that are cold weather, I won't have to purchase a new jacket. I'm going to have to find a place for them in Florida, which we'll get to when I get there. I'm sure my Filipino grandmother has container bins that are just sitting around, and that's not even sarcastic. So this is what the closet's looking like. I forgot to explain what's in these. This is my guitar case that I ordered a little bit ago. That's over there by Jack. This, my stepmom and my dad kindly packed up my like decor and my art supplies. As you can see in here, I have a lot of art supplies. I bullet journal and everything, so I also embroider and sew and crochet and paint. So shout out to who gave this to me. You know who you are. I love you. And these are like my mugs and stuff, like my travel things from Starbucks. This is beautiful. It's like a ceramic. And I get so many compliments on that mug. I just noticed. Oh, I have to take these because I'm planning on applying to Starbucks when I get back to Florida. Here is behind the scenes of a Starbucks barista, or I guess former Starbucks barista. Here's my little hat. In Washington, you weren't required to wear these hats, at least at the Starbucks I worked at, but the one in Connecticut that I worked at was like, no, you have to wear a hat every single day to work. So there's that. And here's one. I've got my little Starbucks name tag that an old coworker made for me, but it has a snowman. So I need to get some like chalk pens or something and make a spring summer one. Here are my little coffee pins for my thing. I just got this one at a Rhode Island bookstore, and it says a whole latte love. And then this one is an enamel pin that my mom and I got from a local artist in Seattle. Oh my gosh. So just like I just wanted to show you all that just because I feel like it's just a fun thing to do. I feel like people don't really, I've never seen a YouTuber or like anyone be like, oh yeah, look at my Starbucks apron. That like is low-key real. Like I actually worked at 2 different Starbuckses. Okay, so I know I showed it briefly before in my room. There's all like cat hair on this. This is my guitar that I bought when I got to Connecticut. Oh my gosh, she's literally, and that's on period. Oh my gosh. This is a Yamaha, and I believe this is the FG 800. I don't know, honestly. I opened that box and I ordered this case, so hopefully I feel like it should fit. And honestly, this was like 20, was it 60? $16 to $20 for this, and it's low-key hecka nice. It's like a backpack, so like super easy to travel with and everything like that. So I'm gonna go put my guitar in this bad boy.
Taking me too far. It's overwhelming no matter how high we go.
Okay, so it fits, but I was so concerned because this barely, like, it's not tugging or anything, but like there's like a finger space of room, and I was so concerned for a second because I literally have no other way to protect my like strings and everything like that and protect my guitar, but this fits. Next thing to tackle. What's the next thing to tackle? The computer. I already cleared some of the like things that were on my desk, like mouse pad and things like that. The stand comes apart and it's very, very seamless, and I'm going to just put it. If it does crack, which pray for me, I do have a warranty on it, so Jack is literally licking bubble wrap. You get the gist though. As you just saw, I took that down, and here it is, 32 inches of pure serene crystal glass. And here is what that stands on. Literally, that's it. So I don't know how it works. Leave that to the physicists. Is that the right word? This box here, I'm trying to put this monitor in there and lay this screen upwards, I'm thinking. Just because if we do go over any bumps, I'm layering it in between puffy clothes. I feel like in theory it will work, but let's see. I believe this will definitely fit in here. Let's I think I'm gonna, oh my god. As I suspected. Let me put this on the bed. So that's a bust. It doesn't fit in this box. I do have another suitcase though. Let me grab it. The problem is the length, not the width, which this is all length. It might work in this. Let me try. This works. I have lots of sweaters and things underneath, and I'm going to layer a lot of like puffy jackets on top, but that works, I guess. So I almost finished packing my room. It's a bit later now. I've had some lunch, some whipped coffee as needed. And now we're in the bathroom, my bathroom, and we're gonna pack that because I have like straighteners and stuff like that.
Will I see you again? I'll stay right here till then, singing out to all the stars, hoping you hear me wherever you are, calling your name each and every day. If they call me insane, I'll say, oh.
Okay, so I just finished packing. All that stuff is like I'm leaving here, besides that towel I'm bringing with us in the car. That's just trash. All of this stuff is I'm moving into the car. This is my laptop. I really only have this left to like empty and everything, but I'm gonna leave that out for Jack. Took my mirror down. This is everything pretty much that I packed. So my guitar, cat food, Jack's little Sherpa lined hut. This is my computer tower. My cat is all packed. It's only 4:07, so that's pretty good. I'm picking up Sydney at I think 10:27 tonight. Her flight got moved, which is totally fine. It's her first time flying, so that's fun. I don't know if I'll put that in this vlog or another one, but definitely gonna get footage of me picking her up. So it's also gonna be my first time driving to pick up a friend from the airport, so. Okay, let me turn this down. Change the location. I'm going to just put some like decor in and talk to y'all. I ordered these from Natural Life and they are like car coasters. It's my first time ordering from them. I got these because I thought they were adorable, but for reference, they're so small. But my car, like actual, like, well, I don't even know, I don't say coasters, but like drink holders, I don't know, are actually pretty small now that I'm looking at them. Please don't break. Oh, okay. There's like a little grip at the bottom. Oh, maybe it's not supposed to be a grip. Maybe it's supposed to lay flat. Yeah, I'm just dumb. This is what it looks like. They're little ceramic things. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I'm gonna go put some stickers on the outside of my car. I have a couple. I have this Salt Life sticker that's yellow. A St. Augustine, Florida sticker that I got when I went there. Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens one. And then this one that came in my package from Natural Life with the coasters. And I thought that was really cute and nice of them because I did not order this. It just kind of arrived with it. So super, super nice of them. This is my ride for the road trip. This is my car that I bought. But all thanks to my grandma. She is saving up for my college fund, and so I put it towards a car naturally. So thank you, Grammy. Beautiful, nicest car I've ever had. Okay, without showing my license plate, I just wanted to show my stickers that I just put on because I'm so proud of it. I realize I don't go to Yukon. Yeah, I'm literally wearing Yukon sweats, but I don't actually go there. I was going to, but I'm not going. Put on, hey, this sticker, this one. I'm obsessed with this Salt Life one. What the heck? And these are my like Pac Northwest stickers. I don't have any like East Coast Adirondack Mountain or whatever stickers because I put them all on my old car, so I have to order some. Okay, so here's the finished result. This stuff I'm going to bring into like a hotel or something like that. Football, but yeah, it's all done.